Namaste. My name is Dr. Parul Sinha. I'm a yoga and a health nutritionist. Today, I'm going to help you to gain a good, healthier, and happier mind, body, and soul. How you are looking good and beautiful by doing wonderful health yoga, face yoga, and nutrition diet. Today, I will show you a basic exercises which will really help you to entertain your entire body with proper healthy habits. First, we will start with small warm up. You have to rotate your neck, sit straight, your spine should be straight, be comfortable, breathe in and breathe out. You can be in Yoga Mudra, putting all your Mudra asanas or Dhyan Mudra. Close your eyes, breathe in and breathe out. Now when you breathe in and breathe out, you have to focus on your breath, which is taking in and taking out. You again breathe in and breathe out. Now you have to put both your hands near your navel, put a slight pressure with your palms and inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now relax your body muscles. Keep your spine straight. Rotate your neck to clockwise. Look down. Look left. Up. Side. And again down. Look down. Up. Straight. Up. And slowly go down. Keep rotating and breathing clockwise for 5 times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now change the location and start anti-clockwise. Slowly do anti-clockwise. You can keep rotating this for 4 to 6 times at one time. I request thyroid patient, vertigo patient should not do the neck exercise because it will help you to increase the vertigo levels. This normal only people can do it. Next, we will rotate our neck to left and right side. Slowly go left and right. Left and right. Again breathe in on your left side and back front. Breathe out and right. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Slowly relax and rotate your neck to upward. 1 and down and 2 and down and come up and go down, again go up, again go down and relax. Be in Dhyan Mudra. Close your eyes or you can open your eyes and inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale and exhale. Relax your muscles, your neck muscles, your face muscles. All these workouts, all these warm-up techniques will help you to get a natural glow and a youthful skin. Now we will go from neck to shoulders. You have to just rotate your shoulders front to back. Those who are having shoulder pains or joint in your shoulder column, please do not repeat this. Those who have vertigos, they should not do this shoulder exercise. Breathe in and breathe out. Now back to front. If anybody has a spine issue or back is not straight or lower back pain, are always recommended to do this. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax, relax, relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now use your hands. Put one hand, press on the above floor, and the other hand back side. Put your both the palms on one side front, the other side back, and turn your upper body slowly back and look front. Again change the position, look back and change the position. Now you will breathe in and breathe out. There should be a movement of upper body only. Relax your body. Sit straight. Now next you lift your both the legs. Join your legs. Give a hug. And lift your legs up slowly and bend forward. 1, 2. I can show you from different angle as well. We can turn this way and fold your legs, join your legs, hold, give a knee hug and lift and bend down. Lift and down. You can lift up and down. Lift up and down. Relax. Cross legs and relax position. Same thing you can do with the other side, front side and left side. You can repeat this for left side, straight and right side. Again, fold your legs, turn other side, hold your legs and lift it up and down. Lift up and down. Lift up and down. Relax and slowly cross legs and sit straight. So all these warm-up exercises will help you to regain your muscles and strength.